The brand new Vaillant Arotherm Pro is finally here and available now from Geek. This one could quietly remove one of the biggest barriers to getting a heat pump in UK homes. Clearances and safety zones can sometimes create less than ideal heat pump locations. And that's exactly what this unit is starting to solve. We sent our very own side posket out to Vaillant's HQ in Belper for a full technical deep dive. Let's take a look at how it went down.
Hi guys, joined by Lee, one of their trainers. Tell us about what's groundbreaking about it, Lee. It's coming in the Pro and the Plus, coming in this nice new anthracite colour.
Nice changing colour, the anthracite grey. So the Plus in June, that'll get a facelift as well, so that'll look very similar. Reduced protective zone, some nice new features with that, so we can reduce that protective zone even more, so it makes much easier sighting of it.
It's 100mm from the bottom of the unit.
Yeah, so with the current Arotherm Plus, it extends from the top of the unit all the way down, but with this, it's 100mm up from the bottom corner of the unit, and it extends a metre all the way around like before, but because it's that lower level, essentially you could have a rotary isolator right at the side of it, or a window, which is kind of some of the main restrictions you can find with the Plus at the minute. No. And for the Arotherm Pro in particular, 11 kilowatt in a single fan unit.
Yeah,
so that's really good.
It's an exciting feature that should just allow these to go anywhere now. This is brand new. Obviously the old appliance interface was very different with the blue screen. We've had a bit of an update. I love it.
Yeah, as you can see, it kind of mirrors the sort of similar menu structure and the look and the feel of the control, which is something we've always tried to do with the Vaillant appliances and the Vaillant controls. Essentially, we've got all that same good information and data points that you would have been able to pull out of the previous one. The difference with this, it just displays nicer, I find. It's easier to navigate through. There's no big changes. There's nothing crazily different for installers to have to learn.
No, it looks pretty transferable from the previous system. So,
yeah, definitely.
Thanks to Lee and Si for that deep dive. And if you want the full breakdown, we've linked the full version of their chat below. But here's the key takeaway. The reduced safety distances on the Arotherm Pro mean more flexibility, more install options, and in many cases, home that previously couldn't have had a heat pump now can. That's huge. To launch the new unit with a bang, we had a room full of Geek installers in London to see this thing up close.
We've already got a differentiator in being heat geeks, but now we've got this extra differentiator where it's like, hey look, we've got this really flexible unit that's going to work in your house with a really small footprint and a lower protective zone, and all of a sudden you're sort of like offering a more flexible product with better training. It's brilliant. A lot of the time we'll do a heat loss and we'll be thinking, well, only a single fan's going to work in this house, and then ticks into the 10 kilowatt territory, and then it's like, there's no location for it. So this solves that, 11 kilowatt and a single fan. It's a big deal, really good.
I think one of the massive differences is going to be the clearances. I mean, the simple fact of it is the amount of jobs we've had to turn away because of the clearances, that is the big one. I think it'll just fit into people's gardens, down the sides, much nicer. There's going to be no reason to not put it in someone's house. There will be somewhere to put it. So if the customer wants it, there will be a place for it.
I like the colour, I like the colour. What it really brings to the table is a 5 and 7 kilowatt unit that's the same size, and for us that's really, really important. The R290 restriction zone is one of the areas of biggest concern to homeowners when they want to buy a heat pump. The number one thing that I check as soon as I get to the house, the homeowner usually already has an idea in their mind where they want the unit to go. And 9 times out of 10, there's either a noise restriction or a R290 restriction. So now that we're complying with at least one of those a little bit further, hopefully it will allow us to have a little bit more option.
So what we're seeing here isn't just a new product launch. It's Vaillant pushing into one of the most practical problems in UK heat pump installs. And if you're wondering whether something like this could work in your home, you don't need to guess. The Arotherm Pro is available through HeatGeek now. So head to the HeatGeek website, pop in your postcode, and you can connect with a verified installer who can actually design your install properly for maximum efficiency, backed up with the famous HeatGeek guarantee. Woo!